Yo guys, this is Yo BMX 98. This is my first ever video. I'm going to do a bike check for you. Yeah, we'll start at the top. Well, I've got some new parts as well, so yeah, we'll start now. Starting off with grips. Got Cool Vans grips, stretched, waffle grips. I think they are. They're, if you look on the bottom of Vans shoes, they got the same pattern as that. They're stretched, and then one there, but it's got a hole in, so I taped it up. Personally, I don't like Vans shoes for riding in, but I like the grips for your hands, so they're nice. I do ride gloves as well. I do use gloves, sorry. Then we got Cool Barons. Had some death, but bar the bar, so who gives a shit. Then we got some Specialized standard bars, just stock really, but they're okay, they're not the best. I think they were like 29 wide, I think, something like that. But now they're like 27s. Yeah, 27s. I'm not sure about depth. I think it's like 8 inches. I don't fuck knows, I don't know. Yeah, so we got that. We've got dub stickers. Oh shit. You can't really see it. Oh, it's there. Dub stickers, big fan of dub. Love them. Sick street. Then we got Eastern Stem in red. Why not? It's a good stem. Don't hate on it. So let's go round. Not very good quality. You can sort of see it there. Yeah, it's Eastern. It's got a little logo. FSA top cap, grey for the win. Then we've got some spacers because I lost my big one, and then it's a FSA Impact top cap. Then don't even hate on me for this, but it's an MGP headset. Scooters are gay, but fuck it, it's a headset, so it does me. Team GB band, booyah. And coming round, another dub sticker there. Got onto the frame in a sec. We've got a little cut out thingamabob. Then we've got Specialized forks. The set sticker. Thanks Source. Is it from Source? I don't know. Then start with the hub. Go out. It's a P-Series Specialized hub. Female. Good hub. Strong. Yeah, it's okay. My bike's pretty stock at the moment, but yeah, we'll get some parts. So that's that. Yeah. Then we've just got some spokes. Don't know what they are. Then nipples. Just normal stainless steel nipples. Then we've got a T.35 demolition momentum tyre. It's got momentum somewhere. Let me just move it. I don't know. It's upside down, but yeah, it says momentum there. Then some monster stickers, because monsters are good. Yeah, these tyres are fairly new, but these are so good, these tyres. I mean, look at the gap, you can barely. Let's get a light. Can't even get your finger in there, that's how nice they are, but I'm not very good at foot jam, so that helps a lot. So yeah. So yeah, that's the front end of my bike. And I suppose we'll go down. It's a 2012, I think, yeah, 2012 Specialized P-Series frame. 21 top tube. Hate 21 top tube. I'm a pretty lanky guy though, so everyone says it's good for me, but you know, my mate's got an Amity and I rode that and that feels bum, so I want to get, not an Amity, but I want to get a smaller top tube. So yeah, we've got a load of stickers, like I said before. Love dub, so go check them out. Sick edits. And then we've got YBM white chain. I suppose you're starting to guess now what the colour scheme is. P-Series crank, Specialized. Yeah. RC twisted PC pedals. I mean, who doesn't have them? So they're bomb. I've cut them out a bit so they're a bit grippy because they're not very good, but yeah, that's how much they spin. Then we've got exposure seat post plastic. Quite nice. It's only 12 quid, so why not? And I need a new one. And then, to be honest, I love this part on my bike. It's Federal Dan Lacey seat. This quality shit, guys, and I apologise, but yeah, it's nice seat. got a little thing there, dead comfy. I used to have a skinny one, so gay. Then, even down, going to the back, again, it's just a specialised P-Series hub, but it's actually quite loud, well it was. If you can hear that, but it's here. Then, don't know what spokes they are, black stainless steel nipples, laced to a P-Series rim. Oh crap, where's it gone? It's there, my bad. Monster sticker there, booyah. Then another Demolition Momentum tyre. It's got Demolition there, can't see it very well. Momentum there, yeah. 2.35, quite tight in the back because my wheel's got a bit of a buckle, but who cares. Then that's my bike really. I'm going Corby this Saturday, so I'll try and make an edit. I'm not promising anything, but yeah. So subscribe, comment, rate, all that gay stuff. So, see you in a bit, guys.